If you're a do-it-yourself kind of person like I am, then this video is for you. Here's a look at an interesting financial planning tool that I've been using recently. Given the person that I am, I like to ask the same question to multiple different sources and see what I get for answers and compare them. And that's why I've tested out so many different packages, so many different retirement programs. I have actually one more that I'm going to share with you that's called ProjectionLab. ProjectionLab is another paid package. It's $129 a year. And it's similar in a way to Bolden. The interface is much more interesting. I think it's a little bit easier to use even than Bolden. It gives a lot of the same information. You can look at, you can look at your overall plan from multiple different angles. You can look at cash flow. You can look at tax analytics. It has multiple versions of Monte Carlo simulation for you to run. It allows you to compare different scenarios, run multiple what-if scenarios. You can create multiple plans, and you can try different strategies and see how those compare to your base plan. Overall, a very good package, one that I'm still using, and we'll see how that goes. You can watch a full version of this video where I talk about this and several more interesting financial planning tools by clicking on the link here. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.